If you've ever been worried about having your iPhone ripped from your hands while walking down the street, those theft scares are about to dissolve. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. Apple is reportedly developing a new feature that will limit the damage anyone can do once they have your phone. 9to5Mac reports that Apple is working on an anti-snatching feature that would lock your iPhone if it detects it's been stolen, and that will prevent thieves from gaining access to valuable data and personal information. In a lot of cases, snatchers will run or bike away quickly once they've grabbed a phone. If the report is accurate, the new feature would use signals from your phone's accelerometer and the distance from a paired Apple Watch to decide if your iPhone has been snatched. The feature won't just be locking the phone, but it would also work according to the same rules as stolen device protection, restricting access to certain areas of the phone if it detects it's in an unfamiliar location or connected to an unfamiliar Wi-Fi network. Apple already provides a pretty much stealth set of features to protect stolen iPhones and the data on them, but this feature would be the first attempt to automatically detect if one has been physically snatched from you and lock it down. Though there's no word on when the feature might be announced or launched, but WWDC 2026 is right around the corner on June 8th. It's possible it could debut there as part of Apple's iOS 27 plans. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.